So we're getting ready to have a meeting with our project manager, architect, and the excavator about our pad for the house, as well as the pad down there, the driveway. We've been dealing with concerns about dirt and concerns about how much dirt we need to bring in, and retaining wall. That line right there is the line that Drew, our excavator, thinks should be the height of the pad. So somewhere we've got to get dirt, and then we either have to slope it out appropriately with let's see, for a rise of every 1 feet, it has to come out 3 feet. So, or we do a retaining wall. And I think, unless the prices show otherwise, and that's part of the conversation today, we're talking about probably doing retaining wall. I think everybody in our family thinks retaining wall would look better. Plus, if we do slope, it's going to impede over here on our driveway that goes around. This area here is the bump out on the back of the house. Then I think there's another bump out on the front of the house for the porch. So those are the kind of the things that we're supposedly supposed to be talking about today when everybody gets here. And so far it seems like Drew gave us a quote of anywhere between $30,000 and $51,000. It looks like we're going to end on the higher end of that number, hopefully not over it. We'll find out. Be patient.